Smith.
Better answer it.
Hello, Smith? Yes. Yes. We have the movie cast. No one you've heard of. Oh, yes. I got another call. Their agent. I'll get back to you.
That was a great performance. You should be in this film. It's a tax write-off. Why is he so involved?
Smith's been seduced by the glamour of Hollywood. Fancies himself a film mogul.
The point is to lose money, not make it. At least for Smith.
Yeah. No one's making or losing any money until we cast our lead.
4, 5, 6.
Come in.
Hi.
You're late.
We expected you an hour ago.
Huh?
No matter. What's your name?
Sam?
Where are you from?
I'm Sam from Roma Pizza.
Okay, Sam from Rome. Show us what you got.
It's where you deliver the bag of money and Dr. Popper accuses you of stealing some.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's it.
Did you take any of it?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
There'd be consequences if you took some.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, yes. I want you.
Ah!
Damn. There goes another one.
And this one was so convincing.